Hi, my name is Jason Van Anden, and I'm here with Jotto. Originally, we started working with Wowza as Quadrant 2. Quadrant 2 is the parent company of Jotto. Quadrant 2 is well known for creating a series of groundbreaking social justice apps that were enabled by Jotto. We have been working with Wowza, I think, since 2014. So that's going on 11 years, 12 years. What Wowza enabled was instant, reliable streaming off of our mobile devices that enabled us to do the things that we were able to do for our social justice apps. We've taken that technology and we've integrated into Jotto. So now Jotto can do this on a we can cast a much wider net and enable many different organizations to actually receive real-time instant feedback reliably from the field. Jotto makes it easy for people to provide feedback without forms. You scan a code or click a link, you're instantly prompted with a question, you answer it naturally, open-ended, in your voice, with video. We're able to use AI to make sense of all this messy qualitative data. So Jotto enables people to provide honest, candid feedback that we just don't even know that we're not listening to right now. When we were working with the social justice apps that do citizen bystander documentation, often those apps would ask people to record something and then fill out a form. And what I noticed is that most people wouldn't fill out the form, but a number of people would do a second video explaining further things that weren't captured in the video itself. Jotto came out of our work in the social justice realm from that experience. We make it easy for people to record video and get it to us. Wowza ensures that the video gets off the phone and to us as quickly as possible. Wowza's reliable, Wowza's instant, and the way that we're using Wowza to stream the video off the phone as it's recording enables us to do what we're doing.